Okay, so let's start the today's class. Yesterday there is an homework that is HW24. So few of the numericals are very easy, and few of them are, I think, I have not completed. But you can do whatever I have taught in the last few classes with the same concept and a little bit previous concept, that is class 9 standard 10 standard concept, you can easily do. Okay, so I will start the numerical from the very first one, that is question number 1. Two parallel lines L1 and L2 are cut by a transversal. One angle is 2x plus 15 and its corresponding angle is 5x minus 45. Okay, so here actually you have to find the corresponding angle concept. So let's recapitulate again. So if two parallel lines are there, question number 1, okay, and one transversal cut is there, so there are 8 angles. You can find 8 number of angles. See, angle number 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these 8 angles, basically the corresponding angle example is, suppose if we consider it is 1 and it is 5, so this 1 and 5 are corresponding angle. Similarly angle 2 and 6 are the corresponding angle. Similarly 3 and 7 are corresponding angles, and also 4 and 8 are also corresponding angle. So any of the pair is given as 2x plus 15 and 5x minus 45. So basically what is the relation between the corresponding angles? They are equal. Na? We can write directly angle 1 equals to angle 5. Similarly angle 2 equals to angle 6. Similarly angle 3 equals to angle 7. And also angle 4 equals to angle 8. The reason is that all are corresponding angles, so they are equal actually. So 2x plus 15 will be equals to 4x minus 45. I think I have written correctly. 5x minus 45, sorry, it is 5x minus 45. Okay, 5x minus 45. Okay, let's solve it. So 5x minus 2x, that will be 3x here, and 45 will be added here, 60. So if I solve x equals to 20, so what is the question ask? Okay, find the value of x. Remember x is 20 only. Uh, okay, so this is the first problem I have solved here. So problem number 2. Question number 2, if I say in a standard parallel line figure, one interior angle is angle on the same side is 2x plus 20 and the other is 5x minus 20. Okay, so what is the interior angle concept? So again, interior angle means what? Suppose this is the figure, so same side interior angle. Suppose this 1 and 2. So if I say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so basically interior means the inside part. So this three angle 3 and angle 4 are the interior angles, but they are also linear pair. So actually interior angles are linear pair. So interior angle means if I add these two angle, it will generate 180 degree. So this is the relation. Similarly, if I say it is 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8, then also we can write angle 5 plus angle 6 equals to 180 degree. You can also write exterior angles, same side exterior angles, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 is also 180 degree. Angle 7 plus angle 8 is also 180 degree. but these are the interior and exterior angles on the same sides. But remember one thing, how many linear pairs are there? You can also write some pairs. There is angle 2 plus angle 3 is also 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is also 180 degree because they are all linear pairs. Similarly, angle 6 plus angle 7 is 180 degree. Angle 5 and angle 8 is also 180 degrees. Okay, so all are the linear pairs, but I have to construct as per the theory is that the interior linear pairs, that is the interior angles. So you can directly write as per the question given that the terms are 3x plus 20 and 5x minus 40. 3x plus 20 and 5x minus 5x minus 40. 5x minus 40 equals to 180 degrees. So if I add 8x minus 20 and 20 will be added here, 200. So x equals to what? It is 25. Remember, no need to use the degree because in the question answer there is no degree. 25. So B will be your correct answer. So 3. Two parallel lines are cut by two transversals intersecting between them. One angle is found 40 degree, find the vertically opposite angle. So directly you can say it is 40 degree because vertically opposite angles are always equal. So no need to draw anything, nothing. So just check the keywords, it is vertically opposite angles. And we know vertically opposite angles are equal. So question number 3, directly vertically opposite angle. This keyword is enough for getting the answer, okay? This keyword is enough for getting the answer. So question number 4. If an alternate interior angle is 70 degree, what is the co-interior angle on the same side? See, co-interior angles on the same side means co-interior angle. That means what? Linear pair. So directly you can say it is 180 degree. Sum of these two angles are 180 degree. So obviously it is 110 degree. So these keywords will is enough. So no need to draw the whole math and not like that. Okay. So co-interior angles on the same side. So co-interior angles on the same side means they are linear pair. Okay. That means they are linear pair. That means the sum of these two are 180 degree. If it is 70 degree, then another one will be 110 degree. হ্যাঁ বলো কিছু বলবে okay, okay. Question number 5. A transversal cuts two parallel lines. If one exterior angle is x and adjacent interior angle is 3x, find x. A transversal cuts two parallel lines. A transversal cuts two parallel lines if one exterior angle is x and the adjacent interior angle is 3x. So draw the figure. You have to draw it. Exterior angle and adjacent interior angle. Okay, let's draw it. So two parallel lines and one transversal cut. So the figure remains same. Okay, so transversal cut, question number 5. Okay, cut two parallel lines if one exterior angle is x. One exterior angle. So how many exterior angles are there? You can find the exterior angle one, two, three, four. These four are the exterior angles. Suppose this question and angle 2 I have given, and it is x, and the adjacent interior angle. See what is the adjacent interior angle? It is nothing but this one, adjacent interior angle. So what is the relation between these 2 and 3? It is linear pair, so they are also 180 degree to each other. So that means x and 3x. So 4x equals to 180 degree. So what's the value of x? It is nothing but x equals to 45 degree. That's all. So this is question number 5. So question number 6. In a parallel line setup, an angle is 35 degree. A second transversal creates a triangle between the lines. Find the third angle if the other is 75 degree. Very interesting question. So I am taking copy because this question I have to take it. Otherwise I have to move or switch between this PDF and PPT. So it will be very problematic for me. So I am taking just copy of this question number 6. So in a parallel line setup, an angle is 35 degree. Okay, parallel line setup. This is a parallel line setup. Okay, an angle is 35 degree. Any angle. Suppose this angle I have drawn, it is 35 degree. A second transversal creates a triangle between the lines. A second transversal. This is a second transversal. It creates a triangle. See this angle A, point A, B, and C. So this find the third angle if other is 75 degree. Very very easy. If it is 75 degree, then what will be the third angle? Actually, we can take this angle is also 75 degree. But whatever it is, just sum of these three angles are 180 degrees. 35 degree plus 75 degree is how much? It is 120 degree, right? Sorry, 110 degree. So another angle is what? 70 degree, because we know the triangle sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So basically angle C will be equals to 180 minus 70 degree. Sorry, 180 degree minus 110 degree. So it will be equals to 70 degree. That's all. So move to question number 7. Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. If one angle is 110 degree, find all acute angles. Find all acute angles formed. Huh? Two parallel lines are cut by a transversal if one angle is 110. Okay. Question number 7. One angle is 110 degree. So all acute angle means if it is 110 degree, so the remaining angle is 70 degree. And if it is 70 degree, then it is also 70 degree. And if it is 70 degree, then this angle is also 70 degree. And if it is 70 degree, then this angle is also 70 degree. And other all angles are 110 degree. So what is the acute angle? It is 70 degree. What do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle, basically the angle which is less than 90 degree. Okay, so this angle is called acute. Equal to 90 degree means this is called right angle. Greater than 90 degree means obtuse angle. Okay, so this is the technique. So 70 degree directly you can write the answer. Sorry. Question number 8. If alternate interior angles differ by 20 degree and one is x and another is x plus 20, if lines become parallel, find x. If alternate interior angles differ by 20 degree, alternate interior angles differ. एक minute, hold for just. if alternate interior angles differ by 20 degree and one is x and the other is x plus 20, then if the line becomes parallel, then find the x. It is basically very easy math. First you have to draw it and understand whatever the angles are given and find the other angles whatever it is asking. Okay, so if alternate interior angles differ by 20 degrees, so find the alternate interior angles. What is alternate interior angle? Actually you have to remember the figure of these all type of angles. See, this is, and these are the alternately pairs, alternate interior angles. Okay, you can draw this one and this one also alternate interior angles. So 1 2 3, so angle 3 4 5, so angle 3 5 are alternate interior angles and angle 4 6 are the alternate interior angle. So any of them is x and another is x plus 20. Alternate interior angles differ by 20 degree and one is x and another is x plus 20. That means what? These differ by 20 degree. That means angle 3 and angle 4, they are differ by 20 degree. And sum of these are 180 degree window. So directly you can write 2 times of angle 3 equals to 200. So angle 3 will be equals to 100 degree and angle 4 equals to, that means what, 80 degree. So these are the interior angles as per the question. But in this question, this x and x plus 20 is also given. One is x, another is x plus 20. One is x, yes, another is x plus 20. See, 80 degree is x because another is x plus 20. So if I add 80 degree plus 20 degree, that will be 100 degree. So that means from the question information, we can directly write x equals to 80 degree. So basically, this is an observation. Okay. So the question itself is sufficient. The first line is sufficient to find the angles. But it is given that one angle is x, another angle is x plus 20. So minimum smaller will be the x. So 80 degree will be the smaller one, is the smaller one, that is the x, and x plus 20 means 100 degree. So what's the value of x? X is what? 80 degree or 80? Okay, there it is given as a degree, so you can take it as a degree. Okay. So two parallel lines are cut by a transversal if one angle is x and adjacent to x, adjacent angle is 2x. So directly you can find x and 2x. If we add, adjacent means sum. If the sum are 180 degree, that is linear pair, then x equals to 60 degree. So adjacent angles means what? Adjacent angle means, this is question number how much? It is 8. Question number 9. Adjacent means these are the adjacents. These are the adjacents. These are the adjacents. Okay. So x plus 2x, it is 180 degree because they are linear pair. X equals to 60 degree. That's all. Very easy numerical. But this, if one didn't know the keywords, then this new easy numerical cannot be solved. So you have to understand and remember the keywords. This is the only task. Okay. Other than this question, very easy actually. A transversal intersects. Hmm. 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 15, 18, 19. Okay, তো তিনটেই আগে করি। 15 exterior angle, আচ্ছা 15, okay, take this numerical, oh sorry, 15. Exterior angle, okay, exterior angle at A is twice interior angle at B and thrice interior angle at C. Find triangle angles. Okay, actually this question I think is a following question actually. Okay, 14 you have to first understand I think. In triangle ABC, exterior angles at A and B are 120 degree. Find angle C. But what is it? Exterior angles. A is twice. Okay, okay. Basically, ABC is a triangle. Okay. So first draw it. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Okay. Hmm. Exterior at A. So if I increase this line, or you can also increase this line also. Okay. So uh, randomly I am increase this one, but remember if we increase this one then also it is correct. Okay, so if I increase this line, the exterior angle at A, suppose it is x degree. Okay, and exterior at A is twice interior angle at B, so twice interior angle at B, that means it is x by 2, because if it is x degree then it should be half of this interior angle at B, that means angle B itself, and thrice interior angle at C. So again this will be x by 3. So this is the question actually. So x by, so first understand again. Exterior at angle A, so suppose this angle is twice interior angle at B, and no, actually I have some mistake. So exterior angle of A means this one, this complete angle. Okay, so this angle is basically x. Exterior angle at A will be half of interior angle at B, and one third of the interior angle at C. So this is x by 3. So what will be the angle A? First you have to find, because we know the complete angle is 360 degree, and if we subtract x, that means the angle A will be 360 minus x. So if I add x by 2 and again x by 3, so these 3 will be equals to 180 degree. Just solve it. So x by 2 plus x by 3, that means what? 5x by 6. So 5x by 6 minus x equals to 180 minus 360. That means minus x by 6 equals to minus 180 degree. So if I cancel them, then x equals to 180 degree into 6. So I think it will be me, just 1 minute hold. 360 degree minus x, yes it is correct, and it is twice interior angle at B, that means it is x by 2, and thrice interior angle at C, that is x by 3, right? So x by 2 plus x by 3, that will be what? 3x plus 2x, 5x by 6, right? Minus x is there, so I subtracted it, and 360 will be there, it will be goes the right hand side, and it will be minus 180 degree. So x is more than 360 degree. Okay, actually this question initially I have drawn correctly I think. Okay, so let us consider this one. Okay, first. So if it is x degree, then what will be the a? It is 180 minus x, right? It is 180 minus x because it is linear pair. So if I consider this one, then also I think it is not fully correct because 180 minus 180 it remains 0. So if it is 0, then x should be equals to 0. I think this question have some problem with the data. Find triangular angles. That means you have to find the angles, actually interior angles. But as per the given information, if I consider this linear exterior, then it will be a 180 minus x. And if I consider the whole exterior, it is not mentioned actually, then it is 360 minus x. 360 minus x, yes, but uh, both are not non actually not possible. Okay, this question have some problem. It is a problem question. It is cannot be solved. Maybe question have some error with the data. Actually, exterior angle at A means if we consider linear exterior, then it is looks this, and if it is normal exterior or whole exterior, then it will be 360 minus x. So nothing is clearly mentioned. So we can consider anyone, but the answer, whatever it is, they are coming actually, both are not correct. Okay, so I think it will be a problem question. But theory is clear, na? Okay, 15, then 18. In triangle, one exterior angle is equal to twice one interior opposite angle and thrice the other. Okay, the similar kind of question. Actually, this question you have to solve. If it is not mentioned clearly, then you have to solve until the question answer get matched or any of the answers get matched. So one exterior angle is equal to, okay, in a triangle, suppose it is a triangle ABC. Again, exterior angle is written, but it is not clearly mentioned. So initially, I have considered it is a whole exterior angle. It is x degree is equal to twice one interior opposite angle. So these are the interior opposite angles. So it is twice. That means it is again x by 2 degree, and thrice the other. Okay, I think the same question. So 360 minus x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 equals 22. Yes, they are same question. Same problem will be there. It is not, it cannot be solved. X by 6 equals to x, actually more than 360. It is never not possible. Same question actually. 19. 19 exterior angles are 3x, 4x, 5x. Find the smallest interior angle. Okay, let's check. Exterior angles are 3x, 4x, 5x. Okay, if a triangle is there, so it is 3x, it is 4x, and this is 5x. So 360 minus 3x plus 360 minus 4x and plus 360 minus 5x, they are equals to 180 degree. Through 360, that means what? It is 1080, I think. So 3x, 5x, 9x, sorry, 9x, 12x minus 12x, 12x equals to, it is 180 degree minus 1080 degree. So it will be solved, cancel, it is minus 900. So minus minus will be cancelled. X equals to 900 by 12. Find the smallest interior angle. So this is the smallest interior angle, na? Because it is 5x. So 360 minus 5x. So 360 degree minus 5 into 900 by 12. If I saw cancel with 6, then it is what? 6, na? Again 2 will be cancelled. 75 into 5, it is what? 350. Okay, 350 plus 25. Okay, it is negative, it comes negative. Yes, the data have some problem. And if I consider it is a linear exterior, then what happen? If I version 2, I am just checking it. It is not clearly mentioned, that's why I have just a minute, 1 minute. If to main this one, if we draw this one and if we draw, okay. So this is 3x, suppose this is 4x, and if it is 5x, then what happened? Then actually these three are 180 degree minus 3x plus 180 degree minus 4x and 180 degree minus 5x. This is 1 equals to 180 degree. So 3 180 degree, that will be minus 360 degree will be there right side, because 3 times of 180. So 180 into will cancel. 2 180 will be comes right hand side. So it is minus 360. So if I add again, it is minus 12x. So negative negative will be cancelled. X becomes 30 degree here, and smallest of this will be this one. So 180 minus 5 into 30, that means 150. It is 30 degree. Is there any question option 30 degree? No, no option 30 degree. Okay, actually there is a problem. But this answer is valid, but option is not there. Option is not there, but this answer is valid. I think there is a option mistake. These three questions, there is some problem. First two are definitely wrong, and third one may be correct, but the options are not matched. If it is 30 degrees there, then it will be okay. Okay, question number 19, I think I have discussed clearly. Okay, other than this one, these three, is there any problem? আচ্ছা, আর কিছুতে প্রবলেম নেই। আচ্ছা, তাহলে বাকিগুলো আই থিঙ্ক বাকিরা চেষ্টা করুক। আমি তো ব্লাইন্ডলি করছিলাম, ভেবেছিলাম বোধহয় কেউ যতটা হয়, বাকিরা একটু করুক। যদি কোনো প্রবলেম থাকে তাহলে নেক্সট লাইভ সেশনে না হয় আমি তাদের প্রবলেমগুলো শুনে নেব। আর নিউ কনসেপ্ট আজকে আর স্টার্ট করছি না, বিকজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি আজকে একটু বেশি হেক্টিক শিডিউল গেছে। মাঝে আবার ট্রেনটা প্রবলেম করেছে, মানে অনেকক্ষণ টাইম ওয়েস্ট হয়ে গেছে। এই বাড়ি ঢুকতে লেট হয়েছে ওখানে, এই জন্যই আমি ট্রেনে ওঠার পরেও এত ডিলে হওয়াতে আমি একটু মেসেজ করে দিয়েছিলাম যে দেরি হবে। ওকে, সো আমার মনে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমার মনে হচ্ছে আমরা সাফিসিয়েন্ট বলে দিয়েছি। বাকি ম্যাথগুলো যারা ওরা যদি না করে থাকে তাহলে ট্রাই করবে একবার। আর নেক্সট ডেতে আমি হ্যাঁ, 30 ক্লোজেস্ট হিসেবে 60 ধরতে পারো না, এই রিজনে 30 ক্লোজেস্ট 30 ডিগ্রি ডাবল হয়ে যাচ্ছে। যদি 32 33 35 এর মতো, তাহলে বাট এটা ডেফিনেটলি অপশন রং আছে। সেকেন্ড ভার্সনটা তাও মানে একটা পসিবল আনসার আসছে, বাট আনসার অপশনের সাথে মিলছে না। হুম, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, ওকে।